Regards from Arya Institute of English Medium. Let us start with one activity. We had completed up to a digestion. Now we are going to see a very important part, that is a respiration. Here I would like to tell one thing, that during the combustion process, very important thing which is needed is a oxygen. कोई भी चीज़ को जलाने के लिए सबसे इम्पोर्टेंट चीज़ होती है, that is a oxygen. Here one activity has been given where air has been passed इन अ लाइम वाटर के अंदर जब भी रबर ट्यूब से अगर मैं पिचकारी लेके अगर एयर पास करूँगा, देन इट इज़ गोइंग टू रिमेन एज इट इज़. बट वही सेम थिंग इफ आई रिपीट, एयर बीइंग एक्सेल इनटू ए लाइम वाटर बाय ए माउथ, then during a exhalation it is going to liberate a huge amount of the carbon dioxide, and because of that water which is lying inside, that is a lime water, which is going to get converted into a form of a turbid, which proves that it is having a huge proportion of carbon dioxide compared to the air. Now take some fruit juice or a sugar solution and add some yeast to this. Take a mixture in a test tube and fit with a one hole cork. Fit the cork with a bean glass tube. Dip the free end of the glass tube into a last test tube containing a freshly prepared lime water. When change is observed in the lime water and how long does it is going to remain over there, that we are going to see, it proves that it is required a huge amount of a oxygen. Now during a breakdown of any glucose molecule, it is necessary that is oxygen, and during that process it liberating a carbon dioxide as well as water. Here total pathways which is taking place is a breakdown of the glucose is a 6 carbon molecule, because formula of the glucose is C6H12O6. Here during the breakdown of this in the presence of the oxygen, it is going to liberate a two product that we will see it later on, that is a CO2 plus H2O. It is going to be liberated. This whole process is taking place in a cytoplasm. Further, the मॉलिक्यूल कॉल्ड एज ना पायरुवेट, कार्बन मॉलिक्यूल 3 कार्बन के अंदर जब भी कन्वर्ट होगा, मीन्स C6 गेट कन्वर्टेड इनटू C3, देन इट इज कॉल्ड एज ना पायरुवेट into a 3 carbon molecule called as a pyruvate. This process takes place in the cytoplasm. Further, the pyruvate may be converted into a ethanol in a plant. A plant product is there and doing the respiration, then it is going to give you ethanol and carbon dioxide. And process taking place in a yeast during a fermentation, some of this process take place in the absence of the air. It is called as an anaerobic respiration, and breakdown of the pyruvate using a oxygen take place in the mitochondria. Sometimes teacher pronounce it something like mitochondria also. So दो जगह पे ये process take place होता है, that you have to remember it. Now based on this we are going to see a very important things. We'll see in a schematic diagram how exactly this process is taking place. Respiration, it is having a two type. One is aerobic respiration and anaerobic respiration. During that it is get converted into a pyruvate having a C3, means glucose is going to be breakdown during this process. In both aerobic and anaerobic respiration, it is going to give you a huge amount of energy in the form of ATP, that is called as an adenosine triphosphate. Now same thing we are going to see via a graphical way, which has been given over here, that is on a page number is 102. So process breakdowns in a 3 carbon, that is called as a pyruvate molecule, to give a 3 molecules of a carbon dioxide. इसके साथ जो अदर प्रोडक्ट मिलते हैं, that is called as a byproduct, that is a water. Since the process takes place in the presence of air, oxygen is called as an aerobic respiration. The release of the energy in an aerobic process is a lot greater than the anaerobic process. Some of when there is a lack of the oxygen in our muscle cells, another pathway for breakdown of a pyruvate is taken, and the pyruvate is converted into a lactic acid. जब आप साइकिलिंग और वो करते हैं, ह्यूज अमाउंट आप लंबा साइकिलिंग करने के दौरान यू आर फेसिंग ए प्रॉब्लम और पेन शुरू हो जाता है सेकेंड डे को, दैट इज बिकॉज ऑफ द एनारोबिक रेस्पिरेशन डन बाय ए body cell, and due to that it is going to liberate a lactic acid. तो lactic acid जब भी secrete होगा, it is a acid, so due to that pain is going to be take place. That lactic acid has been gradually collected as a waste material and it has been thrown out from the body. So 3 या 4 दिन के बाद आपको पेन ऑटोमेटिकली सबसाइड हो जाता है, एंड द पेन is responsible because of the lactic acid, which is also in the 3 carbon molecules. The buildup of a lactic acid in our muscles during a sudden activity causes a cramps हो जाते हैं, मतलब आपके पैर जकड़ जाने का, that phenomena is called as cramps. Now this diagram is a summary of all the things. This is the main summary part. Glucose 6 carbon molecule in a cytoplasm going to give you a pyruvate 3 molecules plus energy is going to liberated in the absence of the oxygen in yeast. So due to that it is going to liberate ethanol, carbon dioxide plus energy, that is a breakdown in absence of oxygen. Lack of the oxygen is there in human body or in muscles, then instead of ethanol now it is going to liberate a lactic acid. It is also having a इथेनॉल में 2 कार्बन के मॉलिक्यूल्स है, लैक्टिक एसिड इज हैविंग 3 कार्बन मॉलिक्यूल्स, एंड अलॉन्ग विद दैट इट इज गोइंग टू लिबरेट ए एनर्जी. ड्यूरिंग द प्रेजेंस ऑफ द ऑक्सीजन इन ए माइटोकॉन्ड्रिया इट इज गोइंग टू गिव ए कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड, वाटर एंड एनर्जी. सो इन ए माइटोकॉन्ड्रिया दिस इज हैविंग ए कैपेसिटी टू प्रोड्यूस ए ट्रिमेंडस अमाउंट ऑफ एनर्जी. एनर्जी विच हैज बीन रिलीज इज कॉल्ड एज एन ATP, which is used as a fuel all other activity in the cell. In this process ATP is broken down, giving rise to a fixed amount of the energy which can drive the endothermic reaction होता है. That process is called as endothermic reaction taking place in the cell. यहाँ पे एक ATP के बारे में आपको बता दिया, that you are going to learn in a higher standard. ATP is the energy currency for most cellular processes. The energy released during the process of the respiration is used to make an ATP molecule from adenosine diphosphate and inorganic phosphate. So ADP plus phosphate, it is going to, when it gets the energy, it is going to form ADP minus P and it is going to become adenosine diphosphate के बदले क्या हो जाएगा, triphosphate. So this endothermic process in the cell then use the ATP to drive the reaction, and because of the presence of this ATP we are able to perform all the activity like a respiration, digestion, excretion, ejection, everything. Huge amount of ATP is used. When the terminal phosphate linkage is ATP is broken using a water, the energy equivalent to a 30.5 kilojoule per mole is released. This value is not going to be asked in exam, but this is a very important for all the competitive exam which you are going to appear after standard 12 like JEE and NEET. Now here we are going to see about the aerobic respiration pathway. Depends on the oxygen. Aerobic organism needs to ensure there is a sufficient intake of oxygen. We have seen that a plant's exchange gases through a stomata. Here gases की जो exchange take place होता है, that is from a stomata, and the large intercellular space ensure that all the cells are in a contact with air, and because of that CO2 and O2 are exchanged by diffusion. Diffusion का मतलब ये होता है one side is having a concentration, another side is also having concentration, but जिसका high होगा it is going to move in a opposite direction. ज़्यादा से कम की तरफ जाके उसको रिमूव करना है. They can go out cells away from them and out of the air. The direction of the diffusion depend upon the environmental condition and the requirement of the plant. नाइट के अंदर क्या होगा, फोटोसिंथेसिस नहीं हो रहा, तो CO2 एलिमिनेट इन द मेजर एक्सचेंज एक्टिविटी गोइंग ऑन. तो यहाँ पे जो प्रोसेस हो रहा है दैट इज़ अ रेस्पिरेशन. सो इट इज़ गोइंग टू इनटेक O2 and going to liberate CO2. At what time? Night. But in daytime it is going to take a CO2 and going to liberate O2 in daytime, because CO2 is going to be utilized to produce a food. as we have already learned. Now hence there is a no CO2 release, instead oxygen release in the major event at this time. Animal have evolved different organ for uptake of the oxygen for environmental and for getting rid of the CO2 produced. Terrestrial animal, when we breathe, we are also comes in a group of terrestrial, मतलब ज़मीन पे रहने वाले एनिमल ग्रुप. जब भी रेस्पिरेशन करते हैं, एनिमल दैट लिव्स इन वाटर need use of the oxygen dissolved in water body. Now, since the amount of the dissolved oxygen is a fairly low compared to the amount of oxygen in air, so rate of the breathing in an aquatic organism is much faster than seen in a terrestrial. Fishes जो है, like in water through their mouth and force is passed to the gills, there is a dissolved oxygen into take up by the blood. Terrestrial organisms use the oxygen in the atmosphere for air respiration. The oxygen is absorbed by different organs in different animal. All these organs have a structure that increase the surface area which is in a contact with the oxygen rich atmosphere. Here, since the exchange of the oxygen and CO2 has to take place across the surface, the surface is very fine and delicate. In order to protect the surface, it is usually placed within the body, so there has been a passages that will take air to this area. In addition, there is a mechanics to move the air in and out in the area where the oxygen is absorbed. Now we are going to see about a very important part, that is a respiration taking place in a human body. Now I am going to show the whole path. Here we are going to see a nasal cavity, or via mouth we are taking a some amount of the air. Nasal cavity के अंदर जैसे ही enter होगा, it is a nose part, so gradually it is having a hair like projection or a surface which purifies the air. Mouth cavity, it is going to be a pass via a pharynx and larynx. It is reaches to a one part that is called the ring of the cartilage. It is a C shape. C होगा, it is like a half C. तो ये एक दूसरे के साथ ऐसे लगे होते हैं. एंड बिकॉज ऑफ दैट व्हेन एयर एंटर्स एंड आउट, अगर आउट हो जाने के बाद ये कोलैप्स होने के चांसेस है बिकॉज ऑफ द ह्यूज अमाउंट ऑफ द प्रेशर वो ईयर, ये बंद हो सकता है. सी शेप कार्टिलेज, रिंग ऑफ द कार्टिलेज हेल्प्स टू सेव आवर लाइफ. So this is a very important cartilage part which is aligned, and due to that we are able to intake and out the air which is lying inside the lungs. Now lungs के जो दो टाइप है, यहाँ पे लेफ्ट साइड के पार्ट में वन पार्ट पोर्शन इज समथिंग लाइक दिस, बिकॉज दिस सिचुएटेड इज अ हार्ट. हार्ट का पोजीशन यहाँ होने की वजह से शेप ऑफ द लेफ्ट साइड इज अ लिटल बिट स्मॉलर. एंड सेम टाइम यहाँ पे भी सेम प्रॉब्लम आ जाता है. यहाँ पे नीचे की तरफ ह्यूज कैविटी दैट पार्ट इज देयर, दैट इज कॉल्ड एन लंग्स, अरे सॉरी लीवर, विच इज़ अ लार्जेस्ट ग्लैंड. सो इट इज़ ऑल्सो अप्लाइंग सम प्रेशर. लंग्स के अंदर से ये एक बड़े पाइप के थ्रू एंट्री करेगा, एंड देन इट हैज़ बीन गोइंग टू बी डिवाइड इनटू ए स्मॉल पार्ट दैट इज कॉल्ड एन अ ब्रोंकाई. फ्रॉम ब्रोंकाई it is going to reach to a further smaller part that is called as bronchioles, and via bronchioles it is going to create a grapes like structure that is called as alveolar sac. ये एक grapes के जैसे छोटे छोटे ग्रुप्स होते हैं, एंड इट्स गेट्स अटैच से बहुत सारे ग्रुप्स लगे होते हैं, एंड इट्स गेट्स अटैच टू वन अनदर. नाउ दिस इज स्मॉल पोर्शन, this part is called as an alveoli where exchange of gases is taking place. So जो CO2 है it is going to be enter inside the alveoli, and O2 is going to be back on this side. It is having a huge structure of capillary. Capillary is a very small portion where exchange is taking place. Blood आता है and blood is containing RBC. RBC is containing hemoglobin. Hemoglobin is having a very good affinity to combine with oxygen. It is having a very good capacity to combine with oxygen. It is combined with oxygen and supply to the from here to हियर ये साइड पे जाने देगा एंड इट इज़ गोइंग टू बी कंबाइंड, यहाँ से ऑक्सीजन को लेगा और उसके पास जो CO2 है it is going to be enter inside the lungs. So during a exhalation we are going to liberate a CO2 and during a intake we are taking around a 21% of the air containing oxygen. तो वो अंदर एंट्री कॉन्सेंट्रेशन ज़्यादा होगा, CO2 कॉन्सेंट्रेशन विल बी लेस. तो ऑक्सीजन प्रपोर्शन, सॉरी फॉर डिस्टर्बेंस, इट इज़ हैविंग ए 21% ओवर हियर. तो 21% कॉन्सेंट्रेशन ऑक्सीजन बढ़ेगा, तो एफिनिटी ज़्यादा होने की वजह से हीमोग्लोबिन और O2 के साथ कंबाइन हो जाएगा. CO2 इज़ इन अ लेस प्रोपोर्शन इन ए हीमोग्लोबिन, यहाँ से छोड़ेगा, इट विल एंटर इन दिस एंड इट विल थ्रोन आउट वाया ए नेजल कैविटी और वाया माउथ कैविटी. नाउ द डायफरजम विच वी हैव सीन एंड वी हैव ड्रॉन दिस पर्टिकुलर पार्ट इन आवर digestive system also. In book it has been given in a very nice way. Usually they are not asking in that exam, but you should be aware about the sequence: nasal to mouth cavity via pharynx, larynx and trachea. It is enter inside. There is a ring like a cartilage. It is up to over here, rings cartilage. Then lungs. For protection of this particular part, इट इज़ हैविंग ए रिब केज, आपका चेस्ट का जो बाहर के जो रिब केज होता है, इसकी वजह से इट प्रोटेक्ट्स इट बिकॉज इट इज़ अ वेरी डेलिकेट ऑर्गेन ऑफ द बॉडी. नाउ फ्रॉम हियर इट इज़ हैविंग ए ब्रोंकाई. ब्रोंकाई छोटा पार्ट जो है उसको बोला जाएगा ब्रोंक्यूल्स. लास्ट इज अल्वियोलर सैक एंड दिस स्मॉल ग्रेप्स लाइक स्ट्रक्चर इज कॉल्ड एज alveoli where exchange of gas is taking place. Here whole summary is been given. Write in short about a respiration taking place in a human being. It is having a weightage of 3 marks. So please read this particular topic very carefully. It is a very easy among all. आपको ये पूरे नाम और उसके हिसाब से उसके यूजेजेस याद रखना है. वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट पार्ट इज द रिंग ऑफ द कार्टिलेज. प्लीज डू नॉट skip this particular part. Okay, now we will see smoking is injurious to the health. Lungs cancer is one of the common cause of the death in the world. Upper part of the RTI, that is called a respiratory tract infection, is provided with a small hair-like structure called as a cilia. Now this cilia helps to remove germs, dust and other harmful particles from inhaled air. Smoking destroys this hair, due to which germs, dust, smoke and other harmful chemical enter lungs and causes a infection, cough and even lung cancer. So the disease which is taking place, if you will not take care of this particular part, अगर आपका रेस्पिरेशन या एयर जो है जहाँ पे आप ब्रीथ कर रहे हैं इट इज़ नॉट अप टू द मार्क, देयर मे बी चांसेस यू मे सफर फ्रॉम अस्थमा, tuberculosis or some disease relevant to the lungs. So you have to be very conscious pertaining to this, and it proves that smoking is injurious to health because it instead of CO2 it is going to produce a CO which reduces the alveoli capacity. At the same time it is having a very good carbon monoxide is having a very good affinity to combine with hemoglobin. तो ऑक्सीजन के बदले अटैच क्या हो जाएगा, कार्बन मोनोऑक्साइड, and gradually affect to the whole system of the body. Thank you very much. In next session we are going to learn pertaining to the transportation in a human being. Before that you have to complete the question number 1, 2, 3 and 4, and you have to draw a flow chart of this particular system along with labeling. Thank you very much for being with us.